Write a 300-word children's book. Once upon a time, in a world beyond our own, there was a little soul who was filled with curiosity and wonder. This little soul loved to explore and discover new things, but they had a question that they could not answer on their own. What is the purpose of life? Wow, this is so powerful. And it goes all the way to this soul realizes it and speaks to the sun, and the sun explains to it that everything in the universe is connected. Every action we take, every thought we have affects everything. As they traveled, they met many other souls who were also searching for answers, but none of them had the answers that the little soul was looking for. One day, the little soul met a wise and powerful being known as the sun. How exciting! The sun shone bright and warm, and the little soul felt drawn to its warmth and light. The little soul asked the sun if it knew the answer to the question of life's purpose. The sun smiled and said, "My dear little soul, the purpose of life is to experience love and to understand the interconnectedness of all things." The little soul was confused and asked the sun how that was possible. The sun replied, "You see, my dear little soul, everything in the universe is connected. Every action we take, every thought we have affects everything and everyone else. Love is the most powerful force in the universe, and it is through love that we connect with each other and with everyone else around us." The little soul was amazed by this realization and felt a deep sense of peace and understanding. They returned to their journey with newfound purpose and joy, spreading love and kindness wherever they went. And the little soul knew that they were part of something much greater than themselves, a beautiful tapestry woven together by the power of love and interconnectedness. That was written by an AI, and it's an original piece. It's never been written before. And I would love to publish a book about that. That's so inspiring. It speaks about soul, it speaks about the sun, it has a beautiful message, it has a beautiful hero's journey. And all I asked it was write a children's book.